How do pop-up matcha drink stands create rainbow matcha drinks? They create them by layering colorful, flavored drinks with sweetened matcha, so each color stays visible in the cup. The colorful effect usually starts with several ingredients that have different weights and colors. A stand might use fruit purees, flavored syrups, milk, coconut water, and bright natural ingredients such as butterfly pea flower, beet, mango, or strawberry. First, the worker adds the heaviest mixture, often fruit puree or syrup, to the bottom of a clear cup. Ice is added carefully because it slows down mixing and helps protect the layers. Milk or coconut water is then poured slowly over the back of a spoon, which spreads the liquid gently instead of letting it fall in one strong stream. Matcha is made by whisking finely ground green tea with a small amount of warm water until it becomes smooth and foamy. The matcha goes on top, creating a green cap that may slowly blend into the colors underneath. A little lemon or lime can change some natural colors, especially butterfly pea flower, because its pigments react to acidity. To make one, chill every layer, use thick ingredients first, pour slowly, and serve the drink soon after building it. A common mistake is pouring everything quickly, which destroys the stripes, so use the back of a spoon and pour near the cup wall. Another mistake is using boiling water for matcha, because it can make the tea taste bitter. Use warm water instead. Some people also assume every bright color comes from artificial dye, but many stands use fruit, flowers, spices, and vegetable powders, so ask about the ingredients if allergies or sensitivities matter. Finally, thick syrup can sink while thin liquids float, so test a tiny sample before preparing a full drink. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.